Okay, so today's dish is cockles with chilli and linguine. So we're going to use the wonderful Sanremo linguine. It's not quite spaghetti, it's not quite angel hair, it's sort of in between, and it works very well with something like these beautiful cockles here. So we're going to chuck into rapidly boiling salted water. All right, so we've got a smoking hot pan for our cockles, and we're going to chuck them straight in. As you can hear, it's really hot. You can see them spinning away. And then I'm going to add a couple of cups of white wine and chuck my lid on. And we're going to steam these guys open really quickly. And we don't want them to sort of open too much and shrivel up. We want them just to the point that they're open. Right, our cockles are cooked, they're open, they're smiling at us and asking to be eaten. So now we're going to strain them off. So now in that same hot pan, we're going to make our sauce. We'll start by adding some olive oil. I've got a couple of garlic cloves here, a bit of chilli, and some ginger. These are all our aromatic ingredients that are going to lift it from just, cockles and pasta to something really tasty. After about 30 seconds, we're going to add our cabbage. So I've got some thinly sliced up Chinese cabbage. And we're going to add some pasta water. Now, adding that pasta water, it stops it from frying and starts it steaming. We're going to chuck our cockles in. What you want to do is then turn them in the sauce and get little bits of the sauce into each of the shells. So now it's time to add our linguine to the dish and finish it off. And then it's just a matter of mixing it through. So that's looking really good. All the flavours are combined and mixed together. Just to freshen it up and add that little bit of zing to it, I'm just going to add some parsley and some lemon zest, and that'll really round out the dish. So we should plate it up. And we chuck a few on top and just sort of, so everyone gets a nice fair share of cockles. So there we have it. It's my linguine with cockles and chilli.